It's October, and here are some jobs that you can do in the kitchen garden this month. It's a really good time to sow broad beans. All you need to do is plant into little cell trays or pots in a greenhouse or in a conservatory. A good variety is Aquadulce Claudia. That's a really good one to sow in autumn. Then you overwinter them. You can either plant them straight out into a polytunnel or out onto a sheltered plot, maybe cover with some cloches, and they'll be ready to harvest in June. We've got some here that we've actually sown about 10 to 14 days ago. They're just peeping through now. So it's a good time to cut the last of the summer squashes, things like the marrows and the courgettes. Some of them might be quite large. You might find that some of your courgettes have turned into marrows. And also time just to get rid of all the foliage. Just basically cut them all back and then put them onto the compost heap. It's best to actually harvest all your squashes before we get any really hard frosts. Things like the gourds as well can also be harvested now. They're not edible, but they're decorative. Or your winter squashes, which are edible, these can be picked and put in somewhere warm for about 10 days and then placed somewhere cool and frost-free to store. You can also, of course, if you've got a nice big pumpkin, it's a perfect time to start carving and scaring those local children at Halloween with some great pumpkin carving.